On Tuesday, Turkey unveiled a prototype of its first locally manufactured ventilator, while President Recep Tayyip Erdogan announced a national campaign to manage the pandemic's economic fallout.
With every measure we have taken, we have shown that our state is with its citizens. We are launching the National Solidarity Campaign, as we see that the state should lead the way. Our aim is to provide additional support, especially to our low-income citizens who are worst affected by the measures taken. Through our social assistance and solidarity foundations in each province and district, we will identify our citizens who are in need and offer these benefits to them. I personally opened the campaign by donating 7 months' worth of my salary.
Let's speak now to Yusuf Aram, TRT World's editor-at-large. He joins us from Istanbul. Hi, Yusuf. So tell us more about how this campaign actually works. Who will see its direct benefits and how will they get them?
Well, the campaign is basically asking citizens to extend their generosity to the lower income segments of society. So it's a very important campaign, a national solidarity campaign, and it comes off the back of already a very big economic stimulus package that the Turkish president had announced last week, 100 billion Turkish lira package that was aimed at many segments of the economy to help boost those segments. Now we're seeing the president and the Turkish government asking its citizens to also lend a helping hand and in solidarity against the coronavirus, help these lower income families by providing additional support. We just heard earlier the Turkish president donating 7 months worth of his salary. And we also know that members of the cabinet and government has also donated to the sum of $800,000 US as well. So very positive way to kick off this campaign with members of the government pitching in. And now it seems that this campaign is gaining a lot of steam amongst the citizens as well. Now, we're also looking at other ways that Turkey has been tackling the coronavirus. And one of the most important ways is through its supply chains. We've seen the first locally manufactured ventilator unveiled. Now, this was a prototype that was unveiled by a company called Biosys, also backed by defense giant Baykar and household appliances manufacturer Arçelik, who is also supporting the project. Now, this locally manufactured ventilator is expected to be in hospitals helping citizens by mid-April. So we're seeing Turkey tackling the economic aspect with this national solidarity campaign, but also local manufacturing tackling the supply chain needs, whether it be healthcare products or whether it be agriculture, whether it be medical masks, ventilators. We're seeing society as a whole coming together and helping out, doing what they can do to continue this struggle against the coronavirus.
Okay, Yusuf, then quickly, if you can, bring us up to speed on what restrictions are now in place in Turkey and how seriously they're being taken.
Well, from the beginning, Turkey has always tried to avoid draconian measures like we're seeing in other countries. We're not seeing any type of panic buying happening here. At least I haven't seen any type of panic buying. I've been mostly home, but I have gone to the market, and anytime I've gone to the market, it's been very comfortable inside. The shelves are stocked. Also, there's no type of military or any type of military presence out on the streets. Obviously, the police are doing their rounds and just making sure there's a general calm and quiet around the city. But there's international travel ban right now. There's no international flights going on. There's also a social distancing campaign. Much of the quarantine is on a voluntary level, not being strictly enforced, but the citizens are very, very well educated right now on what's going on, and we're seeing the streets very, very empty. So it's very important that these citizens are doing what they can do to avoid spreading this disease and being very, very careful, while Turkey's being able to avoid these very harsh measures that many other countries are enforcing.
Okay, Yusuf Aram joining us there. Thanks so much for that.